What up, everybody? This is AT Trades here. I'm gonna just go over quickly a quick analysis on CEI for this week. The stock has been blowing up, and let's get right into it. I do want to preface before this, I'm not a financial advisor. This is purely for entertainment purposes. I forgot to add this in the video. I'm just adding it now quickly. Also, the trading platform I'm using is TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, if you were wondering that. And yeah, if you have any more questions, leave it down in the comments below. Thank you very much. If we take a look at the chart here, this is going to be the daily chart right here. All right, so CEI's daily chart isn't the best to look at because it did a lot of stock splits back in the day, and currently we are trading at around $3.25, but this week was just amazing for this stock. So as we can see, we had a lot of runs, 15%, 20% days, 20% day, first day of the week. Then we had a run up all the way, another 25%, closed around 11% though. Another 20% day, 15-ish, 12.5%. And then the last green day of the week was another 12% day where we absolutely blew up $2 up to $4.85, which was a potential gain if you sold the top of 60% that day only. So this stock has been absolutely ripping. I don't know how people are complaining about this 2 red days that we had. It's up 216% in the last 7 days if you go from the bottom to the top. So currently what we want to pay attention to is this level of support around $3. If we go to the 5-minute, you can see how many times we bounced off of around 280, 290, and then we just keep going back up because this RSI is super oversold. If we zoom out here, we can see again, that's not the first time. This day was insane. Watching this, 485 in about 10 minutes. We went from the top 485 all the way down to 288, but it was a clear bounce because this RSI is cooling off, and there's so much volume on the stock that day. There's about 1 billion in volume that day, and then the volume started slowly trickling down. But I would watch key levels for Monday and even next week in general. This level of 336, 340, as you can see, we had a lot of resistance there the last day. We had a couple tests on this 5-minute chart of the 340 region. This was a chart I made in the intraday. It was like a little bull flag. It broke out nicely with volume, but it's just a fake out, and we just sold off in range after hours. So definitely watch for that 340 level. After 340, we have 360. After 360, pretty much this $4 level, recapturing that, and then we're looking for all-time or 52-week highs at around that $4.85 to $5 region. Might be a profit taking there. Personally, I bullish on the stock. I expect it to go to 10 to 20. Mr. Zach Morris, he's been calling out the stock for a long time now, calling it out since the early 50-cent range, even maybe before that. I'm not exactly sure, but I do have a position in the stock, but I do want to make it clear I'm not a financial advisor. This is just purely for entertainment since this stock has been running up so much. So watch for those key levels. I'll put them down in the comments below or in the description below. And if you want to learn more about these short stocks, the CEIs, the DATs, all those kind of companies that are being talked about a lot on Twitter, stock Twitter, and Zach Morris is talking about them on Twitter. Zach Morris being like his code name because he doesn't give out his real name. Because there's not a lot of people on YouTube talking about these stocks. So if you like this video, if you like the technical breakdown, support and resistance breakdown, make it really simple for you guys. Leave a like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the future. Any stocks you want me to cover, and yeah.